It's as simple as this. You're going to come over to this website, click on this search button over here, click on this specific option over here, click on this entry over here, and you can start collecting your earnings online. Today, I will show you how to make money online, copying and pasting links. You don't need a website for this, you don't need a social media following, you don't need to be an anybody, you don't need any skills to do this. It's super easy to do, it's also free to do, and it's extremely scalable as the traffic platform that I'm going to show you gets millions of loyal subscribers and customer base every single month that you can leverage to build your own business online. Without further ado, guys, this is going to be a really easy business to run off your mobile phone. You can monetize this business through many different ways such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Twitter, you name it. You can actually create a whole social media agency out of this completely for free. My name is Jay from the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel, and on this channel I'm super passionate in documenting my journey on how to make money online, as this is everything I do full time to make an income from home all around the world while traveling and while living in my own free time. If you want to get tons of free courses, free trainings and free documentary videos on exactly what I do, go down below and subscribe on the subscribe button and hit that notification button so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value pack video just like this one. And also, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video. It really pumps me up to see you guys leaving positive likes and positive comments on this channel. And at the end of this video, make sure to watch this until the end. I'm going to announce the winner of the $20 giveaway so you can see if you won that or not. And I'm also going to announce how you can win another $20 in this giveaway. And I'm actually going to have a second secret giveaway in this video, so make sure to watch this until the end. Alright guys, so we're now on the super secret brand new tool that will help you guys to make money online with a strategy, and that will actually do all of the hard work for you. So you can build an entire brand online with the #1 free creative marketplace in the world. Take a look at all these different agencies that you can run online just using this free website. You can run a logo design business, a logo and business card design business, an advertisement design business, an app or icon button design business, bag and tote designs, banner ads, billboards, blog, book covers, brochures, business card designs, car, truck or van wrap designs, car design businesses, etc., CD cover design, hat cover, Facebook cover, label design, you name it. All of these options over here are entire businesses that you can run and scale and make an entire franchise and make tons of streams of income at the same time doing this. And what's great about this software will do all of this for you. It does all the logo and brand identity for you. It does the magazines for you. Like, one thing that a lot of people don't understand is people just don't know where to look. You can literally start a free business anywhere in today's world and build a full-time income online for yourself. You just gotta know where to look, and you just gotta know where to find the right people to teach you where to find these different tools. But that's why I'm here to help you. So let's continue with this. Over here are some of our best tools to use for your business and to start up as an entrepreneur. So you can do barcode generators, Q code generators, profit margin calculators, a PayPal fee calculator, an invoice generator program, image resizer, slogan generator, resignation letters, logo makers, email signatures, LinkedIn banner maker, Twitter header maker. These are all tools that you can use as a business to start yourself and make money online with. But it's super important to follow the steps that I'm about to show you, because this is quite a little bit of a setup. It's not just a matter of now going out there and promoting your business. You need to do exactly what I'm going to show you in order to succeed with this. So for example, let's say we want to start a logo making business. All you're going to do is you're going to come over to designheal.com/tools, scroll down until you get to logo maker and click on create a logo. All you're going to do is you're going to enter in a company name. So let's, for example, go Millionaire Mindset. Click on generate logos over here. You need to pick 5 or more design styles that you like. So I like this one over here. I like this one over here. This green one over here looks quite good. This one over here is number 4. And my 5th favorite one is definitely, I would say, this one over here. And let's click on continue. Choose the colors or the theme template of your business card. I'm going to choose blue, and I like this white color over here. I'm going to click on continue. If you want a slogan, you can do that. I'm just going to put, for example, make money online as my slogan. For the industry, you can go and choose your industry. So I'm going to, for example, go choose business and consulting. Your budget, you can just leave as default. Don't worry about that. Click on continue over here and add 5 symbols that you would like to include. So here you want to type in symbols related to your term. So for example, money, you can put a mind, you can put a book for learning, you can put finance, and you can put business, for example. And let's click on continue. It will then take a couple of minutes to generate all your palettes and your templates, which then you can go and use in your business. And take a look at all of these done for you logos over here. Now, if you had to create something like this in Photoshop or Canva, it will take hours on end to draw up this logo, get this text and put this together. This tool literally did this in 5 minutes of just clicking a couple of buttons. I honestly like this one over here with the blue and the silver looking caps text. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on edit logo over here, and this tool will also compile a done for you business card, done for you t-shirt or merch, and done for you color palettes as well, billboard signs, and merch for your bags or your templates, coffee cups, billboards, bread tins, you name it, even your own logo for your page, cooking merch, your own colognes, your own plates and cutlery, your own food brand, your own t-shirts, your own wash and soap brand, your own website, your own, this looks like a more darker theme, food business cards, coffee brand, even your own pans. And take a look at this. You can buy all of this and start your entire online brand. And all of this will cost you $20 for the basic package, $65 for the premium package, and $150 for the enterprise package. But now you don't have to spend money out of this on your own pocket. I'm going to show you literally how to get this completely for free. And all you want to do is save all of these images over here. You can either screenshot it with your keyboard, save all of these images to your PC over here. Once you've saved those images, click on the big green buy button at the bottom, and over here you can see your 3 different packages. Now I want to show you something. There are very few smart people actually doing this, but not many. Take a look at this. This person over here will design a full corporate identity branding kit at $280, and he's already got over 58 sales. How I know that is because in order to leave a review on a Fiverr gig, you need to have purchased this gig. So that means he has got a minimum of 58 sales. So let's work out what he's made doing this so far. 280 multiplied by 58 is $16,000 so far. So let's say he then came over to this website over here and spent $65. So we need to go $65 expenses times the 58 and subtract this 16,000 minus the 3,770. That is $12,000 profit he has made so far off this Fiverr gig, literally doing this easy work through this Design Heal tool that is doing all of this work and putting all these designs together for him. It's such an easy business model. You're not doing any of the hard work. Design Heal, this tool, is doing all of the hard work for you, and this guy has created an incredible business for himself. And take a look at this. He actually has different packages. His basic package is $280. The basic package on Design Heal is only $20. That means he's making $260 profit. For the standard package, he is charging $320. All he does is he takes $65 out of the $320 his client has already paid him, and he makes $275 profit. Same with the enterprise package. He charges $430 for the enterprise package, and remember, his clients pay him first, so he just uses the money from his clients to pay for this package on Design Heal. So $430 minus $150 is $280 profits every time he gets an enterprise package sale. This person over here charges $95 for the starting kit. They are making $75 profit as the expenses are $20. They've got a minimum of 205 orders and a complete 5-star rating. So that means people like their work. So let's take this $95 over here, multiply this by 205. That is $19,000 this person has made off this gig over here. And this person over here has gotten over 1,000 reviews. So let's take their 295 times 1,000 reviews. That's $295,000 this person has made on this gig over here. And like I told you, all these people are doing is using tools like Designeal and using the money they've collected on Fiverr. As remember, people pay you on Fiverr first before you have to go and pay for the package on Designeal. So if a client pays you $200, you come over to Designeal, pay them $20, and you keep $180 in your pocket. Now over here, I want to show you guys something you can use to scale your entire Fiverr business. So over here is an entire program that will show you the top 3 global trending niches to sell and run your business with, researching platforms to drop service and run this agency from, keyword research and ranking tools to rank at the top of Fiverr and Google to scale and get orders every single day, finding the right service provider, and tons of hidden tricks to save thousands of dollars. I go through an in-depth training on exactly how to create your own landing pages and drop servicing agency completely for free without actually spending money, and how to set up your payment gateways, installing the free tools, how to set up and accept payments all over the world, optimizing your price to get tons of more sales, using little salesman tricks to convert traffic into sales, building your high converting landing page, connecting your services and checkout, setting up your help desk to convert current clients to even more sales, and how to transfer your orders from your supplier or your service provider to your client without doing that work yourself. I go through an entire free traffic bonus module where I teach you a Facebook marketing trick, YouTube marketing tricks, Google marketing tricks, Google Maps marketing tricks, and an Instagram marketing trick where you don't spend any money. And then I've got an entire in-depth 9 video module on my winning full Google Ads and drop servicing combo that generated me over $200,000 gross profit in 2020. So it's my secret to Google Ads success: free Google Ads coupons, creating a Google Ads account, understanding the Google Ads account structure, researching and finding winning keywords, and creating the perfect Google ad live for you. And I'll also show you a trick on how you can drop service without a website using this one simple viral service, using this one simple Amazon trick and a YouTube trick, and a gift from me to you where I create my entire done for you drop servicing agency for you and give that to you in this program. So you can come over to the first link in the description and I will explain to you over here on this little clip exactly what is in this course, each and every module in depth, all my results from this, and students' results over here that have taken this program, and also tons of extra bonuses included for you. And you can use this coupon at the bottom of the page over here to check out and get over 85% off on this program that includes lifetime access. A one-on-one invite to the VIP Drop Servicing University group, and one-on-one lifetime video mentoring with me. So you can come over to the first link in the description if you really want to scale your agency with this, and make sure to enter this coupon on the checkout. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. I hope you got tons of value. I just quickly wanted to pop in to announce the winner of the $20 giveaway. Well done to this person over here. You are the winner of the $20 giveaway. All I need you to do is DM me on Instagram over here. I'll reply to your DM and verify your account and send you your giveaway. If you want to win another $20, all you need to do is leave a like on this video. You have to be subscribed with that notification bell on, and you need to comment down below your favorite quote, and I will choose my favorite quote to pop up like I just did in tomorrow's video for the winner of that $20 giveaway. So I can see if you've done all 3, so make sure you go and do that so that you can hopefully win your $20. I'm going to leave a quick playlist here for you guys. Make sure to go and click on this over here to get tons of more giveaways and value, and develop some skills on how to make money online. I'll see you over there.